Now, if you watch the most recent video I posted with this machine, I installed the high-speed optional gearing that comes with your ready-to-run Traxxas Stampede. So just for reference, the stock pinion gear is a 16-tooth pinion, and the optional pinion gear is a 21-tooth. So we went up 5 teeth on the pinion gear. Now, on the box, it does claim 30+ miles per hour. That's with the high-speed optional gearing installed. I can tell you from doing this test once with the stock gearing, we reached 25 miles per hour, which was actually pretty impressive for stock gearing. So I'm back out today to test it and see what type of top speed we can get with the high-speed gearing installed. We are going to be running first a nickel hydride pack. This is a 3,000 milliamp power cell, 7-cell nickel hydride pack. Then after that, we're going to be throwing in this 2-cell 5,200 milliamp 50C discharge rate Vant Lipo battery. I'm going to be using this GPS right here. So let me go ahead, get the nickel hydride pack installed first, and we'll jump right in the speed test. Alrighty guys, so I've got that nickel hydride pack installed. I turned off the low voltage detection since we're running a nickel hydride pack, and I mounted the GPS right up here on the front shock tower. It is zeroed out and set to record the maximum speed in miles per hour. Let me throw the body on, and we'll go out there and make some speed passes. We need to get a good top speed pass in quick with the nickel hydride pack because nickel hydride packs drain slowly as you discharge them, unlike a Lipo, which holds its charge until it hits low voltage mode. So we're probably going to get our fastest top speed on the first or second pass through here. Here we go. That's pinned right there. Definitely feels faster. All right, spinning around right there. Make sure it's clear. And here we go. I am pinned. That really does get a move on, doesn't it? All right, we'll bring it back one more time for good measure. And here we go for our final pass. Full throttle. All right, we're gonna bring her in and see what type of top speed it just got. What do you guys think? I don't know, that looked like it was pretty fast to me. So let's get the body off and see if it reached that claimed 30 miles per hour. And what do you know? Spot on. With the high-speed gearing installed, with the nickel hydride pack, we reached 30.3 miles per hour. So Traxxas is right on the dot with their top speed estimate. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead, swap in the 2-cell Lipo, get my low voltage detection turned on, zero this out, get it mounted back up, and we'll do the exact same test over, except for this time with a 2-cell, and see if we can improve on the 30.3. Now I've got that 2-cell Lipo installed. I did turn my low voltage detection on, got the GPS zeroed out. Let me throw the body on, and we'll do a few more passes. What do you guys think? Will it go any faster with the 2-cell? I think if it does, it's going to be very, very marginal. I think if I remember correct, it went a smidge faster with the 2-cell when we did this test with the stock gearing. We're talking like just a few tenths of a mile per hour difference. But the main benefit of a Lipo pack over nickel hydride is it has that same amount of discharge or power until it hits low voltage mode. All right, make sure it's clear. And here we go. And I am pinned. It feels a little punchier, but it could just be a figment of my imagination, who's to say. All right, that's far enough. Spinning around. Still looking clear. And here we go, on the throttle. Full throttle right now. All right, and just coast to a stop because it's very easy to lock up the brakes on this thing. All right, we'll spin around. I think we'll just do one more from that direction, and that should get us a pretty accurate top speed. I'm pinned. All right, and that had to have gotten us a good top speed, so let's go ahead, turn around, and bring it in. Got a car coming from the other direction, bring it through the grass. What do you guys think? That looked pretty fast to me. Let's get the body off and see if it reached that, let's see if first off, it should have reached the 30. Let's see if it reached any higher than the 30.3 that we got. Right, moment of truth. And it was almost the exact same. A little bit slower, but when we're talking 0.1 of a mile per hour, that's so marginal that it could just be a fluke. It still actually feels faster with the Lipo. It feels punchier from the get-go, and you just can't really feel that 0.1 of a mile per hour, like I said, is so marginal that I don't think it really makes a difference. So conclusion is you could basically expect over 30 miles per hour with both a Lipo or a nickel hydride pack. I think I'm going to go ahead and wrap up this video. If you did enjoy it, hit that like button, subscribe, make sure to hit that bell so you will be notified when I come out with new videos, because there's going to be more videos to come with this RC, and we're definitely going to have upgrades to come too. So anyway, thanks for watching. See you later.